In this video, I will show you how to download a video in Heygen. First, go to Heygen AI's official website and log into your account. On the left-hand panel, click Projects. This will take you to your dashboard where all your created videos are stored. Choose the project you want to download and click on the video to open it. Once the video loads, look at the top right corner and click the Download button. A pop-up window will appear with different download settings. Here, you can adjust the format, resolution, and quality depending on what your plan allows. For example, MP4 is usually the best choice, and keep in mind that higher resolutions like 1080p or 4K may require a paid plan. After selecting your preferred settings, click Download. The export will begin, and once it's ready, the file will automatically save to your device. Before sharing, always make sure to play the video end-to-end to confirm everything looks correct. And that's how to download a video in Heygen.